As your truck ages, important electronic components and sensors can begin to fail and cause check engine lights, rough running conditions, and a whole list of other problems. The XDP Mass Airflow sensor, also known as a MAF or MAF sensor, is a part of the XDP Sensor Lineup and is a direct fit replacement that restores proper function to your engine. In the box, you'll find the Mass Airflow sensor, which comes ready to install with necessary hardware. These sensors are built from quality materials and match the factory harness connections and mounting points. Each sensor is designed to OE specifications and provides accurate reading and signals to the electronic system in your truck. When it's time to replace sensors on your truck, check out XDP's full line of direct fit replacement components. Find them today at XDP or your local dealer.